Hi guys, in front of me is HMD XR21 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone dialer and go to contacts if you are not in this panel. Now choose the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit and select add picture. And here you can either pick some photo from your gallery. You can grab a picture right now by tapping on camera. You can choose one from Google Photos or illustrations. So just pick the album that you want to pick your wallpaper, not wallpaper, but cover picture from. Let me choose, for example, this one. You can customize it however you like, zoom it in, out. Also, you can rotate it here. And now mark choose. Tap on Save to apply it, and that's it. So this is how you can add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.